Alright, let's just do an evening walk around the yard to see how things are growing. And because when I turned my Fitbit on earlier, I forgot to shut it off, and there's no way that I walked an hour and a half, because if I did, I would not need any type of therapies or surgeries or anything. These are a certain kind of rose. I can't remember what kind. That just got planted a couple days ago, I think. I'm supposed to be watering it. But, oh, look, there's some. We'll get some. Maybe the next couple days. Flowers. Yes. I would like to have flowers planted all around here so I could, put them in a vase. But we learned years ago, many years ago, when my parents tried to have a garden, that the soil in this yard just wasn't good for that. So, because we had a garden in our other house, or I think any houses we had, unless we were living on military housing. Okay, the walk is cut short. Look, just in case. I knew that if I walked away. Look, see what we have here. Do you want a grape? I have a pocket full of grapes. I would have put more carrots out had I known you were coming. Here, have a grape. Let me go sit down. So I guess if I want my little crew to turn the Fitbit off.